Hi everybody, welcome to Flex Math 092 with Professor Gilbert. I'm going to give you a little tour of how to get started with MyMathLab. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the link on the left hand side on the course menu. You're going to click there. It's going to take you into this page as a link to get started with MyMathLab. MyMathLab is a resource for us this semester, so you'll be able to watch lectures, do homework assignments, complete all your tests on here, so it is required that you get this. To purchase it, it's around $145 from the bookstore, but again, it covers two courses, 092 and 094. So you'll get two courses worth of material out of this for the flex classes. So again, if you want to save a little money and you're not using financial aid, you can buy your access code directly from the Pearson site for $100, so it saves you a little bit of money. So I'm going to walk you through the process right now. So you're going to click on this first link which says MyMathLab with Pearson. So you're going to click right there. It's going to take us to another page. It may have you go through a user agreement, so accept that. I'm going to sign in with a Pearson account, or if you already have one created, so you might have used it for a bio class, a COS course in the past, a number of other courses possibly you might have used Pearson before. If you haven't, and if it's brand new, you can create an account. So I'm going to enter an email address. Best to use your student email address. You're going to enter a password. Use at least 8 characters, at least one letter, at least one number, at least one capital letter, and do not use your name or username. And it says do not use spaces or special characters. So I'm going to type something in that meets its guidelines. It met most of them. So I can go back in, type something else. There we go. I'll go. There we go. I met all the guidelines now. So I have a password that's strong. Please write this down somewhere so you remember it. And then at some point you can get rid of that. So I'm going to enter my name and your last name. There's a security question that you can answer, so I'll answer that one. I'm going to enter my answer. I have to accept this license agreement, and I'm going to create my account. So the nice thing about this is once you've entered, you have the option to enter your access code from the bookstore. So this is a code that's purchased from the bookstore. It's a yellow package. It's about $145 this semester. You can use financial aid if you purchase it from the bookstore, or you can buy it online, and we can see that it's $118.80 a semester. That's if you're not using financial aid. You can buy it directly online. So the nice thing is you don't have to buy the code right away. You do get temporary access for 14 days. So for some reason your financial aid hasn't come in, you're tight on cash right now, you have 14 days to use this account. And again, you won't lose any of the content when it expires. You'll just have to pay for the access after that time. So right now I'm going to say I want to get temporary access, and I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to be processing. So it's going to take a minute to process your account. But after that, you can go directly to your course. So you have this as a record. I'm going to go to my courses. You can close that screen and you're into MyMathLab. So the first day of class, we'll be doing some practice tests. I'll show you how to get started with that for now. If you want to poke around to the material, so you can go to start here, You're going to see some information here. You can go through this Getting Started video. It's going to give you some helpful information of how this course is set up. You're going to see 12 different modules. Don't be alarmed. It includes all modules 1 through 6 are the modules that we'll be doing for TRS 092. If you do finish these early and want to start on the next course, modules 7 through 12 will be the modules to complete TRS 094. So I'm looking forward to working with you, and again, if you want to get signed up right away from MyMathLab and take a peek, go right ahead, and we'll be worrying about this on the first day of class, getting it all set up. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, or you can ask right at the beginning of class, and we'll get set up the first day. So welcome to MCC.